Okay, so if you see, Nifty is still sideways in medium term, and obviously in short term also. If you see, it is sideways from. So when this Russia and Ukraine news came, from that day onwards, it is like up and down, doing one day up, one day down, based on news. So it is totally on the news based right now, and it is pure sideways. It is not even bearish, not bullish, just sideways. Okay, same
Yes, sir.
thing on the weekly, and then on monthly basis, it is still looking bullish. So monthly basis, it is no sign of bearishness or anything, because it is just consolidating for 4-5 months, and most probably once it consolidates, then it may go up again. Okay, so that is how
For long term we can plan it, sir, right, sir?
yeah, for long term Nifty is still bullish.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now let's see Nifty Bank. So it is good time to accumulate Nifty Bs and Bank Bs. Like if you want to go and buy Nifty Bs, then you can just use this Nifty. This one Nifty Bs. For long term, you can go and buy this Nifty Bs. And if you want to bet on Bank Nifty, then you can go and buy Bank Bs also.
Thanks. Okay.
Buy. So Nifty Bank also similar story. On the monthly time frame, it is still bullish, means long term bullish, but on the medium term and short term, it is sideways, just struggling between 40 to 60. That's what 40 to 60 is no trading zone, right? So that
Yes, right, sir.
Couple of banks also were very good sign, but again it is
Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda is it? Yes.
Yeah, ICICI Bank and all. So it is still struggling between 40 to 60 on daily basis.
Yes,
but weekly also it is struggling, and let's see monthly. Yeah, monthly good sign. So any bank, private bank, if you want to go for, just check the RSI on monthly basis and you can go for it.
The Bank of Baroda, sir, check it, sir.
Okay, let me just Bank of Baroda. PSU Bank is also doing good. So Bank of Baroda, I think monthly basis it has given the signal, but still it has to cross 60.
Yes, sir.
Once it cross 60, this level decisively, then you can definitely. Weekly also it has given signals. On weekly basis, if you want to buy, yes, you can go and buy now.
Okay, sir.
On daily basis, it's not a buy right now. Short term it is not buy, but medium term it is looking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see some other sector like Nifty metal. Due to this Cold War situation, metal is also struggling here only.
Yes, sir.
Weekly also it is struggling, and then monthly it is bullish. So on the long term again, if you want to go for any metal stock, then I think
the JSW still, sir. Okay, Tata stock.
Still is looking good on 60, and then JSW still, if you want to see, yes. So on long term basis, still there is also looking good one. No need to worry. It's just retracing and consolidating, you can say, from last 10 months. Because in the last 10 months during COVID, it has given very good return.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see Nifty IT. IT also looking long term bullish only, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then medium term it is sideways because of news and all. Daily also it is sideways, but long term Nifty IT also looking very good. So if you see TCS and all out of IT stocks is looking good, because TCS on daily it has shown bearish sign today because of some news of Chandrasekhar and all, and then on the monthly basis it is still bullish. Monthly no need to worry, it is bullish. So it may consolidate like this because of its nature, but yes, ultimately it will give you good return once you have for long term. Similar charts are given on Infi and Wipro also. Now see Nifty Pharma. So Nifty Pharma also not showing good sign on monthly basis also. That means you can avoid Pharma. Weekly also not showing good sign, and daily also not a great sign. So you can definitely avoid Pharma. Let's see Sun Pharma now, who is the leader. So daily also sideways, weekly below 60, not a good sign, and monthly, yeah, Sun Pharma is looking good on monthly chart, but not on weekly. So long term basis, you can consider Sun Pharma. So Pharma is not showing good sign. Let's see Nifty Reality now. So Nifty Reality also on the long term basis still bullish, still above 60. Let's see whether it recovers from 60. And then weekly not a good sign, means sideways, daily bearish. So it has to recover first, then only we'll look into now realty stocks. So now it is showing a good sign, not a good sign. So we have to wait for realty now to come up. Okay. So this is maybe like some of the technical analysis is not working because of this news-based reaction also sometimes, right? So that you have to be cautious sometimes. If your stop loss is hitting, then just exit and wait for the another signal.
Re-entry, yes, sir.
Re-entry would be always better instead of just waiting on hope that it will come up or something. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So now Nifty Auto.
Yes.
So Nifty Auto, yes, good sign. Means daily sideways, weekly also sideways. Monthly it is coming above 60. So it is still struggling. Once it crosses this level, then only it will go up. Okay, but still we can see some sign in Maruti and Tata Motors and all. So Maruti is looking good because it has crossed 60 on monthly chart also, and it has crossed 60 on weekly chart also. So Maruti is definitely looking good. It is breaking out and everything. Only thing on the daily basis it is struggling, but yes, on the weekly basis it is looking good. Yes, very good sign. It is consolidating here and it is not breaking this low. That means it will definitely break out someday out of 9,000. Yeah. Tata Motors also is consolidating. Yes, it is also pure sideways for last few months, I guess. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Weekly also. Weekly is above 60, so we can consider this. Monthly, I think it is bullish only. Monthly also you can consider. Okay, so good. Now let's see some Nifty PSU Bank. What is it? Nifty PSU Bank also. It has broke up, but again it is given the breakout, but again it is struggling due to news or something. So still we need to wait decisively, come above 60. Weekly it is not showing good sign. Daily also not a good sign. So most probably we have to wait in PSU Bank and Realty and everything. So right now be cautious because of news. This news will be there for I think 1 or 2 more weeks until the time these things are getting settled. And there is a state election result also. So you have to be cautious till 10th March. After that, I think market will settle down.